Leveling a bathroom floor with cement and sand is one of the most important steps in preparing the base for tile installation, marble placement, or any other type of flooring finish. A properly leveled surface not only ensures the beauty of the final result but also guarantees durability, strength, and resistance against moisture. In this step-by-step guide, we will take you through the entire process, showing in detail how to prepare the mixture, spread it evenly, and achieve a smooth and balanced finish that can withstand daily use. The process starts with cleaning the bathroom floor thoroughly. Dust, dirt, and any loose materials must be removed because they can weaken the bond between the cement mixture and the concrete base. Once the surface is clean, it is important to slightly moisten the floor so that the cement and sand mixture can adhere better. After this preparation, the focus shifts to creating the right mortar mix. The standard ratio usually involves 1 part cement and 4 to 5 parts sand, combined with water until a workable but not overly runny consistency is achieved. The mixture should be strong enough to hold shape but flexible enough to spread smoothly. Next comes the critical step of setting guides or reference levels. These guides help in determining the correct slope and ensuring the floor is not only flat but also directs water properly toward the drain. In bathrooms, slopes are essential to prevent standing water, which can cause long-term damage. With guides in place, the cement and sand mix is spread across the floor, starting from one corner and working systematically toward the other. Using a straight edge or screed, the mixture is leveled by pulling across the guides, filling gaps as needed. During this process, it is important to compact the mortar carefully, pressing it down to eliminate air pockets and ensure full contact with the base. This prevents hollow spots that may crack later. After the entire floor is leveled, the surface is smoothed using a steel trowel or float, leaving a strong, even, and slightly textured finish that can accept tiles or any chosen surface covering. Depending on temperature and humidity, the floor should be left to cure for at least 24 to 48 hours before proceeding with tile installation. This method is highly practical not only for professional builders but also for anyone attempting a DIY bathroom renovation. By following these steps carefully, you can transform an uneven bathroom floor into a perfectly leveled surface ready for finishing. The video demonstrates the process visually, making it much easier to understand and apply in real-life projects. Whether you are planning to install ceramic tiles, marble, or any other flooring, the foundation shown in this guide is the essential step that ensures a long-lasting and professional result. In this tutorial, every step is demonstrated clearly, without unnecessary complications, so you can follow along at your own pace. You will learn the secrets of mixing cement and sand correctly, the techniques for spreading and leveling, and the professional tips that make the final finish strong and reliable. With this knowledge, you will gain confidence in handling bathroom floor preparation and be able to achieve results comparable to professional work. When leveling a bathroom floor with cement and sand, it is not only about spreading the mixture and smoothing the surface. There are several deeper technical details and professional tips that make the difference between a floor that lasts for years without problems and one that shows cracks, hollow sounds, or water stagnation after just a short time. In this extended part of the description, we will go further into the process, explaining the finer points of preparation, mixing, applying, and finishing so that even a beginner can understand and execute the task with confidence. One of the most overlooked but crucial steps is the preparation of the base. If the original floor has cracks, holes, or an uneven surface, these must be repaired before spreading the new cement and sand layer. Small cracks should be cleaned and filled with a cement slurry, while larger damages may require patching with a thicker mortar. This step ensures that the leveling layer does not inherit structural weaknesses from the base. In addition, checking the drainage system is vital. Before applying cement and sand, the bathroom drain should be tested with water to ensure proper flow. Any adjustment to the slope must be planned at this stage to prevent water accumulation later on. The mixing process itself also requires attention. Cement and sand must be dry mixed thoroughly before adding water. This guarantees an even distribution of cement particles across the